The labs are so well equipped. We have everything at our access, and everything's clean, well maintained, and it's just it's a good spot to learn in.
I am Brian Weissman. I'm the Technology Associate here at the Jewelry Design Department at the Fashion Institute of Technology. I oversee the jewelry labs. We have 2 labs, and I do safety, I do ordering of supplies, helping students learn the equipment, helping faculty understand the equipment as well. Our old lab was set up for us about 30 years ago, and it was they had taken a sewing lab and turned it into a jewelry studio, and so that just wasn't suitable for today's needs. We've kind of jumped forward into the future, and we have a studio that's much more in line with industry. The new labs are built with the idea of the student safety. Worked a lot with industrial hygienists, the environmental health and safety director, a variety of engineers to make this lab what you would hope to find in the industry.
The facilities are brand new, so everything's really, really top notch.
You each get your own bench. So you have your flex shaft right there, you have your torch, you have your bench pin, and you have your space.
Like over here, it's practically unlimited gas and energy, and oxygen, so you can work as much as you want.
We've made earrings and rings and all different types of stuff. Anything that you could base on jewelry is what we do.
We work with everything from base metals, silver, and then we also work with alternative materials.
The type of equipment we use is files and saw blades and different hammers and steel and all different types of stuff.
I like the fact that we have such a large selection of courses, so we can kind of just see what really works for us. So we have chasing, we also have working with gold, making rings.
It's a lot of work, but it pays off. When you have that finished piece, when it came from your design, from you drawing it out to the actual, hey, look, I made this.
Take a drawing and transform it into something wearable, and it's art. It's practical also, and so that's what I like about jewelry.
I've been working at being an artist for 50 years or more, and I spent 7 years in Florence, Italy, learning my trade. I spent 5 years in an Italian silver factory.
The best thing is that when we have open studios, even if we don't know how to do something correctly, there's always a tech here that can explain to us.
Yeah.
That they can answer our questions, if we're confused or anything like that, and they'll actually take the time to sit down with you and to explain it to you.
There's such a huge variety of people teaching us that we have lessons coming from all different angles.
I have the business 32 years, where I not only create new objects but restore precious antiques, and so I bring all this to the classroom.
FIT is valued by employers, so hopefully this will be a good start to my career.
I think we have one of the strongest design programs in the country. Our enrollment levels are very high. I get a lot of people from other areas of life who want to learn jewelry because they tried doing something else and didn't work out, so they want to add something to their lives.
You have to take those certain steps and precautions, and this is the definite way to start out. You have to really learn everything about jewelry before you can just go into it and say, okay, I want to be a jeweler one day. No, there's so much more behind it.